So basically I done my graduation in the Bapat Engineering College, and after that I done my entrepreneurship program in the SP Jain Institute of Management. 6 months ago, we started the institute called Veni Education, which provides the managers skills to the graduates and the undergraduates. So at the time, we all run the research why students are not coming to the institutes and why institutes are not getting the students. So after doing all these kinds of research and the technology support and what is the lack of this technology support and what exactly happening. So after doing all the research, this research raises the life to the Checkit.in. So Checkr.in is an e-commerce website where student can join in the institute through our website. This is the India's first e-commerce website for the training institutes. Till now there are so many websites which provides the information regarding the institutes, but this is the only website which provides the online booking platform for the training institutes. So if the student join through our website, he will get the 10% discount on the best part of the tuition fee, and he will also get the extra benefits in the form of coupons. So coupons matlab he will get the shopping coupons, rides coupons, movie tickets. Anyway, any student apart from the education, what you will expect? Movies, rides, shopping, etc. So if the student join through our website, he will get 10% discount, and he will also get the shopping coupons and the discount coupons. That's it. So our website is started with the vision to help the small institutes and at the same time big institutes, because if some ex-faculty is in the big institute, it will show that the faculty is good, so the institute is also good. So if the same faculty coming outside and he is starting a new institute, students are not coming. So this pain raises us to start the institute website, online platform for the institutes, where student can join in the institute. Before joining, he can find all the information regarding the fee, when the course is going to start, and who is going to be the faculty for them. So see, as a young entrepreneurs, we are concentrating only on the youth right now, because youth is going in India. Youth is the more population in India. So if the youth is in the correct way, India is going to develop. India is going to become a best country in the world then. So we are concentrating more on the youth, on the education system. So we are trying to do something for the youth. At that time, we find that there is something missing in this way. So we are the first movers in the market. This is going to be an advantage, and at the same time this is also a disadvantage, because students don't know about this, since we are the first movers in the market. So right now we are from tomorrow we are going to start our campaigns which shows all these things regarding our website. It's true that there are so many websites regarding this education sector, but this is the only website where student can find all the details. Right till now there are so many websites which provides only the contact number and the address, but this is the only website which provides the when the course is going to start, what is the duration of the course, and how much what is the fee, who is going to be the faculty for them. So apart from this website, no website is going to provide all these details. Right now there are cooking courses, IT courses, PHP, .NET. There are so many, around 500 plus courses are there in the website right now. So as an engineering student, I know the pain what they are facing. So currently we are focusing on the graduation students, and we are also not closed for the graduation only. We are also providing the courses like cooking courses, photography courses, all kinds of courses. We are not limited to the only graduates, but currently we are focusing on the graduates, because increase of the graduation students growth leads to the unemployment. So that's the reason we are trying to educate them. For in the training needs, we are going to help them.